Hi, I'm AJ Richardson at 3 Key Outfitters, and we're here based out of Marietta, Georgia. We're in Atlanta today at the Blade Show. We're featuring a few products, and we have our Bushcrafter Bone products where we have beeswax and oil. This is our utility wax. It's used to coat your blades, coat anything you want. It's food grade, it's safe. And
this is going to make my wife happy.
Yeah, it is. And then you've got Bushcrafter's Balm, which is the same product. It's a cosmetic grade beeswax with a single origin olive oil, but we add 5% tea tree oil to that for medicinal properties.
So we don't have to worry about something as natural as olive oil going rancid, like a lot of food grade material.
It won't go rancid. I mean, olive oil eventually will, but definitely not when you got tea tree oil in there with it. It stays for a long time. I haven't had one go rancid yet.
Okay.
And this is some swag, got some stickers. These are what we call marine spikes.
Okay, I'm afraid of it.
Yeah, it's an 8-inch spike. It's 80 CRV2 and it's fully heat treated. You can either get it wrapped or you can get it bare. Sometimes I like them bare so that I can use it as an impromptu field strap.
Okay.
I leave the lines, the 60 grit lines after heat treat, so that you can use it if you had to work up an edge in a pinch.
Okay.
These are the same thing, but 6-inch versions.
Wow.
Yeah. There you go. And over here we have the process. So when people order a knife, we do their knives custom for them, one at a time. And I'll show you online. I'll either send pictures or I'll send you videos or Instagram, and you'll see your knife being born. This one came out of heat treat, still has a little bit of oxidation on it. And then this one, once you're done with heat treat, you get an acid treatment to a rust inhibitor on the blade. I leave it very 60 grit, and then I coat it with West Marine resin so you won't get rust on your blade, because I'll wrap that with tar cloth, and then I'll finish up with a cord wrap, which is actually not nylon, it's actually polyester cord wrap. It soaks the oil in a little, or the glue in a little bit better, and then I'll seal this again with another coat of resin. And then I'll finish up and I'll do a phosphoric acid treat on the whole knife just as a little rust inhibitor. This is a sheath. It comes from JRE.
Does this come with the knife?
Yeah. JRE Industries makes the sheath. And then I'll seal this sheath with this wax. I'll heat it up over the stove. I'll take a boot brush and then I'll load this guy up with oil and wax. So you kind of waterproof your sheath. And then these guys at 4 inches are $10.95, and then the bigger knives, this is a 9-incher, it's a big one. These are 5 inches. These are all 80 CRV2, and this is a kitchen knife, which I don't have one on display yet because, well, I didn't bring it. It's at home. And this is a kitchen knife made out of 80 CRV2.
Okay.
Right? And this is just some tools and how I use it.
So these are some of those bigger knives finished.
Bigger knives finished out. So here's a 4-incher. There's a 4-inch one.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a 4-inch one out of $10.95. This is the
everything here was designed with an outdoor purpose.
Oh, everything here is designed.
Would be kind of afraid of the person if they had this in their kitchen for their day-to-day.
Right.
use.
It's beefy. They're all convex grinds, so none of them are hollow grinds.
There's a lot more material behind the edge.
Right.
Absolutely.
Heavy duty. So this is my axe/machete.
I love it.
Oh, it is a limb chopper. So I love this guy, but that's the 9-incher. And there's a 5-incher.
So I noticed that there's a lanyard hole on all of them.
Yes.
Except for the big boy.
Right.
We're not afraid of losing that. You know, Jason wants his knife back.
Yeah, he does. Maybe we'll put a lanyard hole in there, but I think this is the one I use all the time. I just took it out recently in a camping trip, and I
can see you peeling potatoes with that. That's definitely, you know, the tidier, tedious work to be done with that.
It definitely works. You know, if with the lanyard hole on it, though, if it slips out and that lanyard catches, it's probably going to come back at you. We would rather you sling it at someone else.
I know,
I'm just kidding.
So, listen, good luck today at the booth. I know you're here for several days.
I am.
For you guys who didn't know how some of these things are made, this is awesome. We're going to have their website in the description. Please check them out. They were nice enough to give us a little lesson today. Appreciate you guys.
Thanks, brother.
All right.
We appreciate you stopping by.
And this was never a dull moment.
Love it.